things that was unbelievable in the past just become normal. You can be oversensitive to everything or like completely numb. You don't know how to react normally because like normality is something like from past life.
15 people died and like 4 kids. I was start crying. I cannot stop. But now when I see, I'm just like scrolling it and it's always like, oh, next. I'm feeling that like I'm a bit dead inside. I don't know. Is it like I'm not so sensitive anymore, you know?
You wake up, you reach in your phone, you look some horror pictures, you look at some fun pictures. People keep living their lives. It just become like one horrific routine.